The Lumiere Festival continues into a cold and wet November night for its 10th anniversary in Durham. The festival shows off some new exhibitions while bringing back some from its previous years to show its history. It was my first time going and I've been waiting to go for a while. Here are some of the highlights. These were just a few of the exhibitions there, and there's still a few dozen more. I'm happy I chose to go this year, and I highly recommend you consider going to next year's festival.